Join me in the painting aisle at Hobby Lobby and I will show you what paintbrushes and canvases that you can pick from. First thing you will notice while you're in the painting aisle, if you are new to painting, is that wow, this is an overwhelming amount of paintbrushes to choose from. But don't let that overwhelm you. I'm going to show you the exact set of paintbrushes that I would get if I were going back in time as a beginning painter. I would choose this Royal and Langnickel set. It has a good shape and size assortment of brushes. You will want to make sure with any brush set that you choose, if you are going to be acrylic painting, that you look on the front of the package to make sure that it does specify that those brushes are specifically made for acrylic painting. I hope this video was helpful to you. I have made a previous video about choosing acrylic paint, and in the future I'll be doing one about choosing canvas. Thanks for joining me today. I really appreciate it. My artwork is available on StephanieSwisherArt.com.